and tomorrow I fly out. Hot yoga at that, and then a wax. I know. Good morning, people. Good morning. So I'm here in my sunglasses for absolutely no reason, just the pure fact that I want to be in sunglasses. And I am getting ready. Well, I'm gonna start getting ready because I need to go. Like today, there is a T minus something days until my vacation. My maintenance is from today up until Tuesday. So I've got a couple days of maintenance. I want to take you with me. Today we have a big agenda. For one, I did an unboxing of this adapter. I need to bring it back because my friend and my roommate also was like, oh, I have one, you can just take it. So I was like, hell, if we're saving some coin, I'm gonna do that. So I'm taking this back. I need to drop it across the street. Then I'm going to yoga this morning at 12. It is currently 10:46. So I need to get my A over to yoga. And then I've got a wax at 2. I know, yoga, then hot yoga at that, and then a wax. I know, sweaty vajan. But to be honest, like, there's like a couple hours of breathing room. But then I have to go and pick up these bangles that I ordered from Aldo, same area. And then I also need to pick up a card from work, a little bit different. So I'm just like, what am I gonna do? Well, in terms of hair, I don't know what I'm gonna do because, well, actually I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna pack a wig, and then when it's time to go to all these places after hot yoga, I'm just gonna flip that wig on. Oh, and I also need to pick up my little octopus. So I went to a ceramics painting place with my friend. It took me so long to go pick hers up. It took me 3 months, and they actually had to call me and tell me, we are gonna get rid of it if you don't pick it up by end of August. And I forgot one more thing from my to-do list. I actually need to go back and return a dress. So last week I went shopping for my vacation. These glasses are so cute as well. Like, honestly, I wasn't vibing with them after I wore them without makeup, because I wore them with makeup the first time and I was like, oh girl, you're cute. And then I wore them without makeup and I was like, oh girl, you not. Ooh. But now, like, I'm looking at them without makeup and it's still vibey. I bought the same dress in 2 different colors, and then I realized I'd actually bought a dress in one of the colors. So one was black and one was green, and I bought a dress in one of the colors already. So I was like, okay, well, I'm not keeping 2 colors of the same dress in a different color when I already have the color that I'm after. Especially seeing as one of the dresses were way more versatile than the other. Like, it was a button-up dress, so like, you can button it up, you can button it down, you can wear pants under it, you can not, like, there's a lot more to do with it. So yeah, so I'm taking back the other one today, and I need to go to Sherway to go and do it because there's no Old Navy downtown. I think it's only Sherway. But anyways, I'm gonna take you with me on my day because it's gonna be a whole entire thing. So we should get going, to be honest. Plans have changed. I can no longer go and pick up the thing that I was gonna go and pick up from the office, which isn't a problem, to be honest. Like, I'm gonna go pick it up on Monday, because I need to go and get my nails done, and that's what I need. That to get, like, I'm gonna go get my nails done, so it's just easier. 2 birds, 1 stone in it. And them things there. I'm supposed to go get a pedicure on Sunday. Go to, what else am I doing? I'm going to brunch tomorrow. There's a whole bunch of things that I'm doing, okay? It's so busy. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna go into the office on Monday. I don't really have like a reason to go into the office. I'll probably go in like halfway through. Or maybe Tuesday, like halfway through. What it is, ho? What's up? I'm about to be leaving. And I say that because I am about to be leaving. I've been trying to leave for the last like couple minutes, but I'm trying to get my life together real quick. So then, oh, he is here. Damn. All right, I gotta go. He said, I'm gonna get your life together. I'm gonna tell you where to be. Yeah, my Uber driver is here. I'm trying to stop Ubering places, but honestly, the convenience is just too convenient. Oh, but do you know what's also convenient? I can't find my keys. Made it. I need to get changed because my car starts literally now. Crazy. All right, bye. That is a wrap on Pilates or yoga, hot yoga. But I look like a mess express. Like, she's kind of body. I'm heading now to go pick up my other thing, my creation, my little octopus. Let me put some lip balm on as well. Like, I'm on a time crunch, honey. Okay, off to the next place. Let's go. Okay, errand 2 done. Now I need to go into town. I'm gonna head up a bus stop close by, head into downtown, and then get my fanny done and pick up something else. And I'm vlogging outside, and I'm so proud of me. All right, let us go. Could you guys? So I'm in Tim Hortons at the moment. I had to stop. I'm so hungry. They got me a little breakfast sandwich and a coffee. And it's breathing life into me because I need a bit, man. I feel like I'm so dry and tired. I'm on the bus. I'm going to the shopping mall. I need to make a return, but we are going. We are on our way. Today has been a full day, and on top of that, I'm still semi-working, so pray for me. Y'all, I had to come to the subway bathroom. I am literally bursting. I found out the old Navy that I need to go to is not even in the shopping mall. It's outside the shopping mall, and it's like 10-minute walk outside. I'm getting my steps in great, but at the same time, like, girl, why didn't no one tell me? I should have told me, but I can't, but it's gonna be over soon. Hello, I'm heading to brunch with my friend. Ooh, this lace is really out here showing its ass cheeks. I am late. She booked a reservation for 11. It is 11:10, and I'm not even close. Well, I am, but I'm not close. Oh, geez Louise. So I'm trying to get there as quickly as possible in my clumpers, because my outfit's cute, but my clumpers are clumping. So, that's something that. Luckily, the place is close by, so I can kind of get away with it, but not too much. Like, these shoes are very uncomfortable. We back, baby, we back. Okay, so I was actually having so many issues with my content. I was having issues uploading things. I was having issues with my memory. All my memory was shot. But my friend, my roommate, he came down like an angel and told me, I asked him, do you have a hard drive? And he said, yes. So I was like, brother man, give it to me, because I didn't say give it to me. I said, can I use it? And now I'm using it. And now look at the space. I've got 4 hours of record time on this. Am I going to use the whole 4 hours today? Probably not. But I'm allowed to. So today, it's approximately 2:10. I'm going to leave my house. I'm going to go to the office. So I need to go to the office, work for a little bit. Then I'm going to go get my nails done, because can we have silence and a moment for these nails, because they have been struggling. When I tell you they have been on their last legs, somehow, some way, they're still here, but every single day is a risk. Every single day we're risking it. So I'm gonna go out today. It's supposed to be like 24 degrees and I'm here wearing a full black outfit. And to be honest, I'm not mad at it, because I'm just not mad at it, but I gotta go. So I just wanted to say, hey, this is a continuation of holiday prep. Woo, 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 woo. So we're gonna go get our holiday preppage done, and tomorrow I fly out. So holiday prep is coming to a close real soon. But yeah, it's coming to a close, but we need to get it done. All right, talk to you soon.